So let's talk about ZEN. Its full name is Horizen. It's sitting at $20.8 right now, which is 20.80 cents, 87 cents to be exact. And as I'm covering this coin for the first time, so we're going to discuss its fundamentals. What is this project about? What is good about it? What is bad about it? Should you invest in it for long term, like 3 to 5 years? Or you should get a hell out of it in 3 to 5 months? Because I would look at it and I would see that, okay, this is actually going to die. And this is a case scenario of jump the ship before the ship starts sinking on you and you don't have an opportunity to take an exit. And of course, as always, I'm going to share the technical analysis in the end, where I'll show you the chart, where is the entry area, where is the exit area, how you can trade it, or if you have missed out on buying, how you can buy and invest in this coin and make investment decision with better discounted prices rather than jumping it in such kind of area. Right now it went to $21, basically buying in the wrong place and then only having regret that you purchased it 30 to 50% expensive, while if you had just waited, it could have gone down to a better price area and you could have made a ton amount of money. So as I'm covering this coin for the first time, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to discuss what do they do. Well, ZEN, which is the short form, the full name is Horizen. It's a privacy first blockchain. So it's a blockchain platform that is leveraging zero knowledge proofs and modular architecture. And of course, their major concern is over privacy. The bad part of this is that they are not the first project that is doing it. It's not unique. And they are enabling compliance-friendly, decentralized, with basically the dApps on Coinbase network. So basically, they are using Base for dApps. That's maybe the unique angle on it. Built on Base, of course, enhanced scalability, interoperability, same old, integrates ZKPs. I mean, ZK, pretty much everyone that I see is using it, and today ZK pumped because of it, because the more and more use case of ZK is happening, and today that coin pumped over 120%. I mean, why not? It was very obvious for it to pump. They have a DAO, and that's pretty much it. Horizen addresses the tension between privacy and compliance. I mean, nothing crazy. It's all straightforward stuff that we already discussed. I'm not looking at anything that would make me go and say that, oh, this is the most unique thing I have ever seen. It's not. On the Twitter, they have not mentioned anything fancier. They're saying that we are an app chain built for privacy, a future built for you. And that's pretty much it. That's their sales pitch. If they have anything fancier on their website, Horizen is an EVM blockchain built on Base for secure, regulatory compliant, confidential trading and DeFi application for individual traders and financial institutions. Yeah, so there is no fancy stuff around this project that would make me think that, okay, this is going to help it. Yeah, so the only, the sad part of it is that I'm not seeing anything unique. What about its life? It's an old project from 2017, which means that this project was not launched on Base Chain because Base Chain is very new to begin with. So they have moved to a fancier chain of Base Chain. A lot of projects try to do that to look more appropriate or more trendy. It's like coloring your hair blue or green or purple and then having a nose ring to just look appropriate in the new developing human species. I think it's that kind of approach that some coins they take. They leave their existing blockchains and they move to the new fancy club. So they must have existed either on Ethereum or maybe on BSC. I don't know which chain they were, but 2021 was their nicer time, and after that it is just a downward case scenario. So this coin has crashed from its peak of over $150, if I check it correctly. Yeah, almost 150, and right now it is sitting at $20. Now the good and the bad. The good news is that it has almost inflated to the max. There is little inflation in it still left. the bad part is that from 2017 up till now, it has been inflating, but it hasn't fully inflated yet, which is a bit sad. So I think that the reason they are not doing something unique is because it's a very old project. At the same time, they have fully inflated. So I think that this is not a project that I would invest for a long term, because they had a long term to go and prove themselves, but they have failed with it. So as they have not been able to achieve any convincing outcomes, I would be pretty much inclined towards the fact that this coin is more or less a pump and dump case scenario. You can enjoy it in the green markets. Basically, you can enjoy it for the month of November and December. I wouldn't recommend investing in it for 3 years or 2 years or 5 years. This is not a coin that you can hold for that kind of time period. So now let's talk about its technical analysis. What the hell do we do with its resistance? Is at $22 right now. As you saw, it is sitting at 21. So it's very close to its resistance area, which means this is the moment of truth case scenario for this coin. If it is not able to break above $22, if it is not able to close 2 daily candles above the area of 22, I would assume this is going to crash. It is going to go down, and it is going to go down towards the area of $15. That is the support area. It says 14.6, but I would assume it to be the $15. I like to round up stuff. $15 is the support area that it will crash down to, and as we saw right now, it is sitting at $21. Of course, it went down again to 20.7, but $21 and the resistance is at 22. If it is not able to break above it, I think I would start expecting it to crash. So if you're in love with this project, buy it when it is at $15 instead of buying it now at 21 and paying an extra $6. And if you're thinking that this $6 doesn't matter that much, well, from 15 to 21, that's a 40% journey. So you're going to pay an extra 40%. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.